a CEO of a venture company, was interviewing for recruitment. His interview method was unique. He said this while giving two dice to the interviewees. If you want to join our company, roll these two dice so that the sum of their numbers is 12. Two interviewers failed. However, the third young man passed the interview. What happened? This was because the young man continued to roll until the sum of the two dice numbers was 12. The CEO did not say that the two dice should be rolled only once. What's the probability of getting 12 when you roll two dice? The answer is 100%. If you keep rolling two dice, you'll get 12 someday. Expect failure, rethink, correct, and constantly try new directions for anything. That's the way to success.